What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clear your File Explorer history in Windows. Let's get into it. Okay, so to clear the File Explorer history, what you want to do is you want to go to File Explorer. So I got it pinned down here, or you can just search up File Explorer. It should be under Top Apps. And what you want to do is go to File in the top left up here, and just left click it. And then next you want to go change folder and search options. And then it will bring up this folder options menu. And here you want to go down to privacy, and then it will say clear File Explorer history, and then the clear button next to it. So just click on the clear button, and that will clear any File Explorer history that you had. It's as simple as that, guys. So if this video did help, please hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And if you guys have any troubles, please leave a comment below and I will try to get back to you. If I don't, hopefully someone else will be able to help you out. And that is it from me, everybody. Peace out.